Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily add another account in Facebook. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's start. First, open your Play Store or App Store. Let's get something out of the way. Just make sure we have the Facebook app updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions for everything to run smoothly. After that, let's quit the store and of course open Facebook. From here, you must have at least one existing Facebook account in order for you to add another one to it. And let's tap in the three lines in the bottom right corner now. Once you add the second account, you'll be able to switch between the two by tapping that arrow right next to your name at the top. Now let's go ahead and proceed. Let's tap on log out, because first we need to log out from this account. Takes a couple of seconds. And here you go. Now from here you should have multiple options, or basically two options. How can you add an account? You can use another profile, basically you add an existing profile, or you can tap on create a Facebook account or create a new account if you don't have a second profile ready. Anyways, let's go ahead and tap on create an account. You can tap on create account manually, and then from here create new account, not find account. Anyways, from here you continue creating an account just like the same way you created the first one, name, information, all that. Anyways, once you create the other profile, you can go ahead and tap on use another profile right here and enter the credentials of the new profile or the profile that you already had. Once you're done, you can tap on login and it will be added to the accounts right here. And again, you can log into it or to the other account here. Or once you're done logging in, you can switch between the profiles the same way I told you how. You can tap on the three lines in the bottom right corner, and then you tap on the arrow that should be in the top right part of the screen, and you find it under other accounts. You can tap on the account that you want to log into and you switch up just like that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.